Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today it's going to be a laid-back video where I just sit here and talk about uh, past year with the channel and the accomplishments we've obtained, and yeah, all that kind of good stuff. So first off, I just want to say, I hope you guys had a great year. I hope you achieved a lot, and I hope you met some of your goals that you set at the beginning of the year. I certainly did when it comes to this channel. So when I started this year off, I had a couple goals. One of the main ones was to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we did accomplish that. I think we accomplished that around October-ish. So that was a big moment for the channel. Another goal I had was basically just get more sponsorships on the channel. I'm not sure if my first sponsorship video was this year. It might have been. I might have had one last year. I'm not sure, but I did have a bunch of brands reaching out to me this year, and I was able to review several products, technology products. So that was awesome, and I hope to do more of that in the future. Let's see. So if I'm looking here at my stats, we've accumulated basically over 892 subscribers in 1 year, and just that's absolutely insane, because last year, like, I wasn't growing nearly as much as this, but now it seems that, like, I've caught on to trends, and just we've caught on to trends, and I've been trying to make better content for you guys, trying to listen to you guys more, and yeah, just put out better content that shows up in search results better, and just like, yeah, just better content overall. I've been doing more Fortnite tutorials just because that's a huge trend right now. Everyone's clicking on that kind of stuff, and it gets views. So I've been doing a lot of Xbox tutorials too, because that also gets views. Okay, so just going off of that, when it comes to views, guys, you guys absolutely killed it. I was able to gain 464,281 views this year, which is just completely insane. I mean, last year, like, I didn't gain nearly, because in total I only have 565,000. So we're talking like 80% of my views just coming from this year alone. It just shows that, like, if you guys want to make a YouTube channel, all you have to do is put in the effort, and you will see results eventually. It may not come right away. I mean, it never usually comes right away unless you're like Mr. Beast or someone, but yeah, you can grow a channel if you really want to. If you're passionate about something and you want to grow a channel, by all means, I highly recommend you guys do so, because this is a great way to relieve stress and just be creative about stuff you like, and it's just fun, and you can also get paid. Like, another goal going off of this is just I was able to get monetized this year. Like, you know that YouTube changed its terms of service, so now you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and I think it's like 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, and like, I kept grinding this whole year and to try to get 1,000 subs, and I kept setting goals. I think I was around 500 subs last year or something, so I set a goal of 600 subscribers, 700 subscribers, 800 subscribers, 900 subscribers, until I finally hit 1,000. And I set realistic goals that I knew I could achieve, because I was gaining like 1 to 2 subs a day. So I just sat there patiently waiting, putting up more videos, knowing I'll eventually hit it just at the rate I'm going, because it's a huge snowball effect. The more videos you upload, the better content you upload. Someone's gonna see it. Someone's gonna share it with someone. It's just gonna keep growing and growing and growing, and that's helpful for YouTube, or you small YouTubers like me. And one thing I really had to learn this year was just patience, because it was becoming a huge pain. Because I hit 1,000 subs in around October, and this was great. I was so excited to hit 1,000 subs. Just seeing 4 digits in my subscriber count, it blew my mind. My next goal is 2,000, by the way, so if you're watching this right now, subscribe. But yeah, I hit 1,000, and then I thought, oh, I'll get monetized right now. I can get paid, because if you guys didn't know, I used to be able to monetize my channel, and then YouTube changed its terms of service, and I was no longer getting paid, and that was very frustrating. Kind of demotivates you to make videos and stuff, but now I've learned that money isn't everything, and even though I'm like gaining a little income off this, I still don't do this for the money. I'm trying to make quality content for you guys and just make the channel overall a great learning experience when it comes to technology and just tech tutorials, like, because I know how frustrating technology can be sometimes. I run into problems literally every single day, so it means the world that like you guys benefit off watching my tutorials, and because I get comments all the time saying thank you so much, that helped, it worked, stuff like that, and just that actually like makes me feel good that like I'm actually putting content out there that you guys enjoy and are actually utilizing in your lives, because I've dealt with these stupid problems my whole life when it comes to Xbox, PC, anything really. They can be so frustrating, and then like you search the internet, and then you can't find a specific tutorial to solve your problem. So I'm trying to make videos about specific issues I've run across, because I know other people have as well. So I just think that it's great that you guys can benefit from my struggles, as weird as that sounds. So yeah, I had to wait for a long time to get monetized. I eventually did, started making some income, which just shows you if you guys want to put in the effort, you want to grind this out, you can make a decent amount of money off YouTube. I'm not going to specify how much I've made, but it's enough to buy like things that you're that if you want. Like, I'm not making thousands of dollars, but I'm making some money where I can go buy stuff I wouldn't normally buy just because it's too large of an expense. And now that I have an extra income source, it just feels good, and it feels like I've finally been awarded for all the effort I put in. Like, I've had this channel now for over 2 years. I started in December 2016. It's now January 1st, 2019, so roughly 2 years. And if you guys have the patience, I recommend you start a YouTube channel. I mean, you're not gonna blow up after a week or maybe a month. You're gonna have to put in the effort, and eventually you will get noticed. You just got to use the right tags, good titles, go along with trends, and just stuff like that. I mean, like, look what I'm doing right here. I'm literally just filming a voiceover with Fortnite gameplay in the background. By this, I did have a good game. This game, if you guys want to know. I do get a bunch of kills. Anyway, but yeah, it's not hard. I mean, if you guys just put in the effort, you can make good quality videos. Like, I've had like basically zero training when it comes to producing videos in my life, and I just started one day, and over time I just got better and better, and I realized that it is possible. I mean, like, you don't have to be a tech whiz to edit a video on Windows Movie Maker like I am right now. Like, for the first like year and a half, probably year and 3/4, I only started using Movie Maker like a month ago. I've been just editing on my phone. I mean, like, it's free. Like, if you guys want to go edit videos, you don't have to pay anything these days. You can just download an app. Like, I use Power Director or something, and like, I mean, yeah, you can't upload in 1080p, 720p is the max if you don't want to pay for the subscription, which I don't recommend. It's a waste. It's a stupid expense. But yeah, it's completely free. Just go download some intro template, outro template online, and then just make some quality content. I mean, like, it's that easy. I mean, you guys can do it. I know that. Yeah, it's become a random ramble right now. But yeah, the channel's been growing, getting more comments, getting more likes on my videos especially. It's all been good. Let's see, what else can we talk about? Okay, I know what we can talk about. Recently, stuff I've done recently. I started up an Instagram page, which I never thought I'd ever do. Started becoming more active on Twitter, gained some followers on there. If you guys want to go follow me, there's links everywhere. But yeah, I've been posting regularly on my Instagram, trying to just spread more awareness for the channel, posting more like tech review stuff, just to like help you guys benefit if you're like trying to look for a specific device or any kind of technology. I'm trying to post beneficial content to try to help you guys make a decision. So yeah, that's basically been my Instagram so far. I've been gaining a decent amount of followers on there, and I haven't even, I don't think it's been a week, and I already have like 45, 46 followers or something. So it's crazy. Like you guys can grow if you honestly just put out good content. I mean, like that's the moral of this. You put out, and it doesn't even have to be like that high quality. It could be like 720p, 480p stuff, and you can still grow. I mean, you just have to add some sort of value to the person viewing you, and that's basically how you'll grow. So yeah, started up the Instagram, started posting more on the Twitter. Oh yeah, I also started up a merch line, and I got a sale, which is nice. Yeah, like if you guys want to go check out my merch store, it's pretty nice, pretty clean stuff. I got t-shirts, long sleeves, hoodies, and also stickers. I'm probably gonna order something just for myself, just so I can rep the Life Made Easy brands and stuff. But yeah, I never thought it. I mean, I waited a long time to start my merch line, because you can't start a merch line when you're like really, really small. Like if you have under like 300 subs, like no one's gonna look at your stuff. You have to have some sort of following and some sort of dedicated fans to actually like get people to buy that stuff. And that brings me to something else. It's like I unlocked all these new features now with gaining 1,000 subs. Like I can now get channel members. If you guys want to support the channel and become like a channel member, I think it's like $5 a month or something, just to like help me produce better stuff. You can do that now. I also have what's that called? Super Chat. If I ever live stream on here, I can do that too, which is nice. I haven't really live streamed in a while. I might live stream a little on Mixer. I might create a Mixer account. I think I have one. Just because like no one's really streaming on there, and I honestly could feel like I could gain a following relatively quickly. We'll have to see on that, but yeah, because I know Mixer's built into Xbox One. I mean, because like right now, my stream quality for Fortnite isn't the best, just because I'm running on a laptop, but Xbox has dedicated, like it's basically all graphic. It can handle graphic intensive stuff, so I think that's why streaming is pretty easy on Xbox, and the quality is pretty good. So I might start up a Mixer. I'm not sure yet, but I'm just rambling right now. But yeah, guys, I hope we can translate all this positivity into 2019. I hope we can grow even more. I'm gonna honestly shoot for 2,000 subs soon. We're almost at 1,200 already. We're only 800 off. I think honestly, with the support I've been getting from you guys, it's been awesome. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications for a free shout out. Go check out my merch. Follow me on Insta. Follow me on Twitter. I got all the links in the description. Thank you so much for a great 2018. I hope you guys have a great new year. Hope you set great goals for yourself. I'm going to do the same. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.